Welcome to the Guidewire Development online training program. This course is designed to support your knowledge and skill development in Guidewire. Guidewire Development is about building, customizing, and maintaining applications on the Guidewire Insurance Suite platform. This platform is widely used by insurance companies for core business operations like policy administration, claims processing, and billing. The primary goal of this course is to equip learners with the technical and domain skills needed to build and customize insurance applications using the Guidewire platform. Key features include a comprehensive curriculum covering the entire Guidewire Insurance Suite. You'll get hands-on practical training focusing on real-time scenarios and learn about integrations using REST and SOAP APIs. The training is delivered by expert industry professionals. Choosing Guidewire Development is a strategic step toward a successful career in the insurance technology domain. Guidewire is a leading, in-demand platform used by top insurance companies worldwide, offering strong career opportunities. This training prepares you for various job roles, including developer, support engineer, consultant, and solution architect. Each role involves developing, maintaining, and providing solutions using Guidewire applications and related technologies. The benefits of this course include knowledge improvement, skill development, and learning flexibility. This program supports long-term personal and professional growth. In conclusion, Guidewire Development is a highly valuable skill in today's insurance and IT landscape. It offers strong career opportunities and long-term growth by specializing in critical business applications used globally. Thank you for watching this video. For more information, please contact us at 9,951,609,609 or visit our website at www.hopeinfotech.com.